AI demos. Discover latest AI tools with video demos.
Wave.video transform your text into a professional video with Wave.video's AI technology. First, go to the Wave.video web page and click on the Create Video. To start, click on the Text option. We can generate a video from a text. Here, we are using the option Reduce my text with AI. Next, give title to the video that relates our topic and paste our text into the designated area. Then choose Stock Assets, Duration, Text on Scene, and click on Next. You can choose any format and style, then click on Create Video. Wave Video will then generate a video for us. Let's check out how it looks. As we can see, Wave Video has given us an amazing video. So don't waste time. Go to Wave Video and create your amazing video.
Want to see more AI demos? Visit aidemos.com.